There you go, do you like my new fashion? Stole it off Avril Lavigne. She's still cool, isn't she? She's still cool. See you later, boy. It's the skater boy.
Wales Shock!
Hello, as we say here in Wales.
Hey, T! Arachwyth!
Now, so much of Welshness is in its tradition. It seems to many people, Wales is embedded firmly in the past. Like, if you think of Wales, you're probably thinking of coal, male voice choirs, and sheep. It's not the noise a sheep makes. Now, what compounds this idea is the fact that the dragon looks backwards. The dragon looks backwards. And just like the dragon, our focus is so often on preserving the traditional rather than becoming truly progressive. I suppose that's slightly unfair. I mean, we do try, but we're just crap at it. I'm an awful patriot. The dragon is so focused on the past, so obsessed with the gold it's already collected, that it doesn't go out to get any more. I mean, what we've got to remember is the dragon became extinct for a reason. What do you mean fictional? I mean, this is why we should adopt the shark. I mean, the shark is always moving forward. He's always looking for new fish to rip to pieces. He's always looking to collect new pieces of gold to hide in his little shark bunker, you know. He's always plunging ever forward in the sea of time, and I think I've derailed this metaphor. Now, in reality, Welsh is actually one of the very few small languages that's growing rather than dying out. And this is largely because it's so fun, but also because of the bodies and groups that are so good at supporting it. You know, but the drawback to this is that often those groups, those bodies are family-focused, you know, tradition-oriented. It's not often you get to hear Welsh used filthily, you know. And I enjoy a bit of filthy. Now over to me on the TV. Diolch. Cofiwch dweud diolch. Diolch am y parch. Diolch am y cnicio wefreiddiol. Diolch am sychu'r patch wlyb. Diolch.
A great white shark, roaring down the avenues of time, chomping on fish, collecting gold, eating all in its way with his Welsh cape on, roaring,
I'm sorry, I'll stop. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do subscribe. That is the only thing that vindicates my shallow existence. I'm in a sketch group called The Acre. We release videos and sketches onto YouTube. We released a new one yesterday and I'm very proud of it. If you've got the time, please check that out. If you like watching new music, check out David's vlog page. He plays acoustic songs there. It's very good. And if you want to continue hearing Welsh things, then why not listen to Welshy Chris? Here's the links, should have exploded up on the side now. Like I said, check them out. I'll put the links in the bottom as well. Have a look at them. Diolch yn fawr.
A great white shark!